Lace closure and lace frontal. Which hair type is right for you? Choosing between a lace closure and a lace frontal can be challenging, especially for beginners who are just starting to explore and use wigs. Each option has its own advantages in terms of styling versatility, durability, and cost. This article will provide a detailed comparison between lace closure and lace frontal, helping you find the most ideal choice for your personal style and needs. https://lace-closure-and-lace-hair-type-is-right-for-you/ #lace closure and lace frontal #lace closure #lace frontal #lace closure wig #HD lace closure #HD lace frontal #Swiss lace #ton on hair